Hello, my name is Hattie Rich, and I'm a student here at Missouri Southern State University. And today I'd like to tell you a little about myself through 3 objects, 2 of which have a special importance to me, and the third has a funny story attached to it. The first object I have is my Even Star necklace, and as some of you may recognize, this is from Lord of the Rings. It's the necklace that Arwen gives Aragorn, and it symbolizes hope and love. This is special to me because it was given to me by my significant other, and I have thus worn it every single day since. My third object is my original copy of Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, and since I was a child, I've loved reading. And this is important to me because Harry Potter is one of my favorite books, and I've gone to the midnight premieres of the 6th and 7th, and every movie premiere after The Prisoner of Azkaban. And my third object is a picture of a little Tykes car. And the story behind this one is when I was about 3 years old, my father was supposed to be watching me, and I was playing in our backyard, and the fence just so happened to be open, and I managed to escape. Now, while my father was frantically searching for me, I managed to find my way into the neighbor's yard, where I successfully rode home my neighbor's little Tyke car. So about 3 years old, I committed my first theft. So in summary, I hope that my necklace, book, and funny story told you a little about myself. And I'd just like to say that these objects are very dear to me, and I hope that you learned a little about myself from them.